This video demonstrates how to assemble Innovation Cabinetry's base blind corner cabinet. Before you begin, ensure you have all the pieces shown here. Collect all the drawer pieces together and begin with the drawer face positioned front side down on your workstation. Fit the dovetail joints of the drawer sides and face together so the sides stand straight up. Slide the drawer bottom into the slots on the drawer sides, then fit the back piece onto the bottom and sides of the drawer. Place corner pads on the 4 internal corners of the drawer face and use a nail gun to secure the drawer front and back to the sides at the dovetail joints. Next, take the drawer glides and position them on the bottom of the drawer flush against the front and side panels. Use a drill and prepackaged screws to secure these into the sides and face. Set the assembled drawer aside. Place the door on your workstation with the pre-drilled hinge holes closest to you. Align the hinges with the pre-drilled holes and secure with the drill and prepackaged screws. Finally, stick 2 corner pads to the inside corners opposite the door hinges and set it aside. Take the small filler panel. Position 2 cam screws in the pre-drilled holes on the upper right-hand end and carefully secure with the drill. Fix the drawer track panel into the cam screws using the pre-drilled holes at the panel's end that has the cam lock nut holes. To position this panel correctly, the holes should face away from you. Turn the 2 attached panels over so the small filler panel runs toward you on the right and the drawer track panel slopes down to the left. Fit 2 cam lock nuts onto the available holes on the drawer track panel and use a screwdriver to join these with the placed cam screws as demonstrated. Turn the assembled pieces on end so the small filler panel lies on your workstation and the drawer track panel stands straight up. Take the drawer bridge board and fit it into the pre-drilled holes next to the cam lock nuts on the drawer track panel and gently tap in place with a rubber mallet. Next, position the assembled panels to form a standing triangle on your workstation so the small filler panel slopes to the right in front of you and the drawer bridge board and track panel stand behind. Use a drill and drywall screws to secure the bridge board to the track panel as shown. Now turn the assembled panels so the drawer bridge board stands straight up and the small filler panel lies on your workstation closest to you. Take one of the drawer tracks and position it on the drawer track panel so it is roughly true inches from the bridge board and aligned with the pre-drilled holes. Secure the track with a drill and prepackaged screws. Turn the assembled panels on their side so the drawer bridge board lies flat on your workstation and the small filler panel is positioned off your workstation and pointed toward the floor in front of you. Take the long bridge board and position it lengthwise across the top of the small filler panel, then use the pre-drilled holes and available wooden pegs to fix the pieces together and set in place with a rubber mallet. Secure with a nail gun, then finish with the drill and drywall screws and set the assembled pieces aside. Position one of the base sides on your workstation with the notched corner positioned to the top right. Place 2 shelf pegs in the center pre-drilled holes and tap into place with a rubber mallet. Now attach the base bottom and backing to the side with the available wooden pegs and pre-drilled holes. Use a nail gun to temporarily secure the bottom and back together where the 2 pieces meet, then reinforce with a drill and drywall screws. Place an adjustable bracket in the unit's upper left corner to secure the base backing and side together and drill into place. Retrieve the previously assembled panels and bridge boards and position within the base so the long bridge board sits on the upper right corner and the drawer track panel horizontally meets the base bottom. Align the drawer bridge board so it is even with the pre-drilled hole on the back and secure with a drill. Place the other base side on top so it evenly slots with the back and the pre-placed wooden pegs align with the side and bridge board's pre-drilled holes. Position an adjustable bracket where the base and side meet, opposite to where the other bracket is placed, and secure with the drill and prepackaged screws. Turn the assembled base on its back and position the second drawer glide track on the base side, opposite from the one placed on the drawer track panel, then secure with the drill and prepackaged screws. Check the entire unit to ensure all pieces of the base cabinet are flush and secure, then, with the exception of the long bridge board and the small filler panel, reinforce where all unit pieces meet with a nail gun. Once the general unit is reinforced, secure the long bridge board to the sides with the drill and drywall screws, doing the same with the small filler panel to the base bottom. Turn the unit upright, insert the drawer into the available slot, and ensure it runs smoothly on the glide track. Take the previously prepared door and attach it to the small filler panel with a drill and screws so it opens to the right. Mark alongside the pre-drilled holes to confirm accurate placement. Finally, use a nail gun to secure the large filler panel to the front of the unit. Congratulations! Your Innovation Base Blind Corner Cabinet is ready to install.